Hi there, just wanted to share a quick tip with you that I found in order to schedule posts in a way that might be a little bit more scaffolded for students. So what you can do is just go onto your course announcements page for if you're using Brightspace, D2L, and if you go into the course announcement space, you can actually type an announcement for your students. So I'll just do a little quick one for you that says hello, and then I'll click on post later and I can schedule my posts. So I can do Monday the 11th, and that would be at, yes, Monday the 11th, and I'd want that to show up because it's my period 3 class. I'd want it to show up at around 12:10, and I would schedule it. So I'll save that, and that means that there's one post planned, and it'll show up exactly the time in which I've scheduled it. Works out really easy, and that way then I can do the work when I need to do the work, and students will receive it in kind of a staggered fashion. Thanks for watching.